Hey everybody, Kevin Draco with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Join us every Thursday. We're going to release some great information about appliances and hopefully answer a lot of questions that have always been on your mind. One of the most common ones I get is, hey, when is the best time to purchase an appliance? Everybody thinks the retailer dictates the price. They're the ones that set the market. That's just not true. The reality is the manufacturers dictate the market to us. What does that look like? Well, there are 6 major holidays basically in which you're going to get deeply discounted sale price items. Why? Because we purchase them at deeply discounted prices. So again, you can see how the manufacturer controls what goes on sale. Those holidays, I'm going to give them to you. Martin Luther King Day, President's Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day, Black Friday, and of course X13. X13 coined a little bit by Sears is their extra profitable holiday at the end of the year. The next holiday that's coming up right now is not the best time to buy appliances. Let's shoot straight with each other. It's just not. You don't see anybody screaming out there. But I'll tell you what, mark this day on your calendar. It looks like for Memorial Day, you're looking about May 17th. You're going to find some incredible deals in the market that you can't beat. And of course, keep your eye on this show because if it gets started early, we're going to let you know. So again, don't forget to join us next week with some more great information.